What's up guys, today is May 28, 2018. It's a Memorial Day here in the US. This is the day where we remember and honor those who serve in the military. Salute. Today is also a Disneyland day for us. Last time we went there, we got there around 2 p.m. which is super late already. So we're gonna try to come early. But first stop is to the gas station. Hey everyone, we just got done eating from Jollibee. Our belly's filled, we're ready to go right now.
We are now en route to the Disneyland Resort's main entrance plaza, gateway to Disneyland Park, Disney California Adventure Park, and the downtown Disney District.
Hold over here, buddy. Go to Pluto.
High five. Yeah.
It's about 1:30 right now, and it's super packed. Everybody decides to come here today. But right now we're just walking around trying to find a ride that we can do. Even like the earliest fast pass is at 3 o'clock, so just gonna see where we can get.
I love coffee, I love tea, I love the job and it loves me. Coffee and tea and the job and me. A cup of Boston beer.
Are you scared?
Coffee, coffee, oh, I love chocolate, sweet and hot. Minnesota, the coffee pot. Sugar and wine and California shine.
There's a goat. Hi, goat. Change of plans. We're super tired and it's so packed too. So we changed our mind. We're gonna go to the mall.
What more?
Ontario Mills. Watch out!
What's so heavy? Scary, right?
So we're going to Ontario Mills in Rancho Cucamonga. That's where we're going. So the trip to the mall was a success. She's got some. I've got some too. It's time to go home. We can't decide if you want to eat at Java Bistro or just go home.
What's up, you? What's up?